carburetor on here, and man, I haven't had any problems. There weren't any problems in the beginning, you know, outside of messing with the petcock and not knowing where it's at and how it operates, you know, not knowing that it has a fuel reserve on it, you know. So I found a YouTube video and they said that, you know, if your bike just cuts off on you while you're riding, that means you're using the reserve and you're not using the gas from the tank. And so I looked into that, and I turned the petcock to the right, in the right position, and man, it's just been